This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop pictures in Inkscape. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. I have Inkscape opened up now and I have an image on my canvas here. To crop an image in Inkscape, you have to use one of the shape tools. I will show you how to crop an image using the rectangle tool, and I will show you how to crop an image using the circle tool. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off to the tools panel on the left hand side, and I'm going to start off by cropping a rectangle. I'm going to click on the rectangle tool. Then I'm going to go down to my canvas and I'm going to draw out, say that I wanted to crop this house. I wanted to crop this picture down to basically just this house. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to crop out a rectangle here. Now I'm going to go off to the right here and I'm going to reduce the opacity of my rectangle down to where I can plainly see what I'm cropping. I'm going to go back over to my canvas here. I'm going to go back to my tools panel and I'm going to click on the selection tool. Then I'm going to go back to my rectangle. Now my rectangle has arrows all around it, and I can put my mouse cursor over one of those arrows, hold down the left mouse button, and I could crop my rectangle however I want. I'm going to leave it about like this. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I already have my rectangle selected here. I'm going to hold down the shift key and I'm going to left click on the picture to where I have them both selected now. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Object tab. I'm going to click on the Object tab. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Clip, place my mouse cursor over Clip. Then I'm going to go straight off to the right here, and I'm going to click on Set Clip. And there is my little house right there. Now I could always edit this. The way to edit it, you want to left click on your image to select it. Then you want to go back up to the Object tab. Then you want to go down and place your mouse cursor over Clip and straight off to the right, and then click on Release Clip. And you're back to the beginning here. I'm going to click off of my artwork here. I'm going to click back on my rectangle. I'm going to click Delete just to get rid of that. Then I'm going to use the circle tool. I'm going to go over to the tools panel on the left side here. I'm going to click on the ellipse tool. Say that I wanted to crop this sun out of, I wanted this image to just be a picture of the sun here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, draw out a circle. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. Then I'm going to go back over to the tools panel, up to the selection tool. I'm going to click on the selection tool. I'm going to go back over to my circle. I'm going to move it about like what I want. Now I'm going to follow the same steps. I have my ellipse selected already. I'm going to hold down the shift key, click on my image. I have both selected now. I'm going to go up to the Object tab, click on the Object tab. Then I'm going to place my mouse cursor over Clip and straight off to the right to Set Clip. That is how to crop an image using Inkscape. Thanks for watching.